Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer documents to a new Kindle using Amazon Send-to-Kindle, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer documents to your new Kindle using Amazon Send-to-Kindle, start by ensuring your Kindle is registered to your Amazon account. Next, open your email application on your computer or mobile device. Locate the email address associated with your Kindle device. You can find this address by visiting the Manage Your Content and Devices section on Amazon's website. Make sure the document you want to send is in a compatible format, such as PDF, DOE, DOCX, or MOBI. Compose a new email and attach the document you wish to transfer. Leave the subject line blank, as it is not required for this process. In the field, enter your Kindle's email address. Before sending the email, check if the sender's email address is on the approved list. If it is not, you will need to add it to the approved personal document email list in your Amazon setting. Once confirmed, send the email with the attached document. Wait a few minutes for the document to process. You may need to connect your Kindle to Wi-Fi for it to receive the document. Once it has received the file, navigate to your Kindle's library. You should see the document listed among your books. Tap on the document to open and read it. You are now ready to enjoy your documents on your new Kindle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.